Hello, friend. Assalamu alaikum. How are you? I hope you are doing well. So, friend, let's see how you can enable two-factor authentication on your web account. Many Gmail accounts get hacked and they lose their Gmail accounts. For this reason, I would tell you that you must enable two-factor authentication on your Gmail account. So, how will you enable two-factor authentication? I will explain everything to you in this video. So, make sure to watch this video. So, in their account, you will go to your Gmail settings. On Gmail, you will find the option to enable two-factor authentication. Click on the logo there. So, click on the link to see your current settings. You will see your current settings here, including the parts like info, data, and privacy. You will see options related to security, and you can manage your security settings. So, click on security to access your settings. Here you will find the option to set up verification, which means enabling two-factor authentication. You need to turn this on, and to do that, you will need to click on it. So after clicking here, you will receive a notification. Then you should see options like get started, and you can click on those options. So click on the link where you will enter your password. This password should be entered carefully as I'm currently entering it. So now what should I do? So next, click on the link to see what's next. You will see the login option for my phone here. Look, it says Galaxy, and this is where my phone is logged in. So when you want to do two-factor authentication, you need to click on the continue button. You will need to enter your mobile number and the verification code or the code that will be sent to your mobile number, which is necessary for two-factor authentication to work properly. You must select a mobile number here that you have access to, and this number should belong to a phone that you own. If you have this phone, that's good. If you have another phone, then you must ensure that the SIM card is in that phone because it can sometimes be an issue. So the number you are entering should be the one that you have access to for two-factor authentication. Until you can see the text messages, you can also see the text or phone calls. So what you will do is send a text message, and if it's a phone call, you won't do it. So what will you do? You will receive a call. So you will send text messages. After that, you will click to send here. When you click to send, a code will be sent to that number, and that code must be entered here. So see, the code is already in the system. This is the code you need to enter. 4592. That's right. So let's see. The code has been entered. After that, what you will do is click next. So when you click next, it will show us that we have completed the necessary actions. So now what I will do is check here. Click on that. Okay. So when you click on transfer, you will see that we have already completed the two-factor authentication. Look at the voice and text messages there. So these two vectors have been here for 2 years. You can see here. If you only have these two vectors, then you can see here. Your options are, you can find it here, it's fine. So in this way, you can take the two vectors. If the two vectors are correct, then I will put a video of this license. If you like this video, please like and comment on our video.